Let's see, this is actually from problem set 7, and it's number 6. So the total body weight, the total body surface area of a human is difficult to calculate. There are various models. One of the simpler models is this: BSA is equal to the square root of WH over 3600, where W is the weight in kilograms and height in centimeters is the H. So part A is, using this model, estimate the height of a person who weighs 60 kilograms and whose BSA is 1.9. So the weight is 60 kilograms, or 69 kilograms, and the BSA is 1.9. So all we got to do is substitute that in for the appropriate variables, and so the weight goes in for W. Okay. And so the BSA is 1.9, so we'd have 1.9 equals the square root of 69 times W over 3600. Now we need to solve that for W. I think probably the easiest thing to do is to go ahead and get rid of that square root, since it's over this entire side over here. And the inverse operation of a square root is squaring something, so we will square both sides. So 1.9 squared is 3.61, so this is 3.61 equals 69W over 3600. Then we'll have to turn around, and since we want to get W by itself, we're going to have to multiply both sides by the 3600. So if we multiply that by 3600, we're going to wind up with 12,996 equals 69W. And it's the last step to get W by itself. We'll divide both sides by 69. And then the weight is going to be 188.3. And to the nearest centimeter then, that would just be 188 centimeters. Now part B was using this model, estimate the weight of a person who's 165 centimeters tall and whose BSA is 2.2. So again, the BSA is 2.2, so we'll put that in for BSA. And that's 3,600. And let's see, the weight is what we want to know. Estimate the weight when the height is 165. So in the numerator, that'll be 165W. Again, I'm going to square both sides of this, because that'll get rid of my square roots on the right-hand side. So that's going to leave me with 4.84 equals 165W over 3,600. And then really the same steps as before. We'll multiply both sides by 3,600. So 17,424 is 165W. And we turn around and divide by the 165. So W is going to be 105.6, and it's to the nearest kilogram. Since the 0.6 is, it's a 6, is greater than or equal to 5, that means we're going to have to round up. So we're going to go with 106 kilograms for our weight.